Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be testing the new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. I have purchased this myself and I am very excited to be testing this. Unfortunately, I am behind in the times and I have yet to try their already existing wands. I have not tried their contour wand. I know, I cannot believe it either. It's on my list of things to get, very high up on the list, but there's always so much exciting new makeup to get, and I always put it kind of down a little bit lower. All these really exciting new launches that have been launching in the last month, like I am overwhelmed with the amount of new makeup coming out, and I'm so excited about it. So eventually I will try these iconic and super viral contour ones, but I'm going to be testing this new blush wand. I'm a sucker for a cream blush. This is the actual packaging. It is really beautiful. I got it in the shade Pink Pop. That looks like a really beautiful color, especially for spring. So let's go ahead and actually see how it applies. Okay, so you twist it a little bit and then you're supposed to squeeze it. It comes up very easily. I got this in the shade Pink Pop. Let's go ahead and see how this baby looks. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm blending in with my sponge. Ooh, that blends in really seamlessly and easily. And look at that color. I love this shade Pink Pop. Oh, I want to try them all now. Let's add a little bit more because you know I love a good blush. Oh, beautiful. We're going to bring it a little bit upwards and into the eye as I'm loving that new trend. Is that not just stunning? So applicator I really like. The color I really like. The formula is very thin and I like that as well. Sometimes liquid and cream blushes can be almost a little thick and not blend into the makeup really seamlessly. So I'm really liking this so far. It's a beautiful formula from what I can tell. I do want to go ahead and set my face though, and I do want to see how it performs over top of powder. That can be a bit of a dangerous game because sometimes it can ruin the break down the makeup underneath. But I really judge a cream blush or a liquid blush based on the fact whether it can go over top of powder as well. I just find it very valuable when you can apply underneath and on top. I think that it's nice to be able to, because sometimes when you set down a cream blush, it takes away from the color a little bit, and so it's nice to be able to pop a little bit of extra on top without having to go in with a powder. Like I like to be able to do a one-stop shop kind of product. So I'm very hopeful that this will do that. Let's go ahead and set the face. But like so far, is that not one of the most beautiful, natural, lightweight, like it's perfection. It's a beautiful color. It's a beautiful lightweight formula. It blends into the makeup like a dream. I'm obsessed. We're having a good makeup day. So applying over top of powder. We're gonna just do a little bit. And let's see. Ooh, she works. Oh, I like it. Doesn't break down the makeup at all. It looks really nice and seamless. Easy to blend out still over top of powder. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm obsessed. It's so forgiving and blends out like a dream. Like I've applied quite a bit and like, don't get me wrong, she's pigmented, but it's not like overpowering and it's like blending out so nicely. And I just feel like it's very user-friendly and very foolproof. I am obsessed. So A+ to this one, guys. I really like this blush. It blends in beautifully to the makeup, seamlessly, lightweight, natural, and it also works on top of powder. So if you want to add some color, if you want to go a little heavier, or if you are, you have to set down your face like me, it is nice to be able to go over top with a liquid blush on top of powder and it not ruin your makeup. It is flawless, seamless, beautiful. The color's perfect. I love everything about this. The packaging is also incredible. I also wanted to mention that it does have like a open and close, which I like. I feel like that's very important when you have a squeezy tube with something like this. And then that way, if you're traveling with it or if it's in a bag, if it does get moved around, squeezed, it's not going to explode or go everywhere in your purse or in your bag or anywhere. So really, really like that. I love everything about this. I recommend highly to you guys. And I'm definitely going to be adding this to my favorites. I think it's a new holy grail, guys. I think it is. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.